In the quiet breath before the morning, when the sky is still becoming light, every age has heard a calling rising through the human night. Different tongues but one remembering, different paths but one design. Like a river ever wandering, all its waters still divine. If you listen through the ages, past the names and shifting forms, there's a voice within all voices, soft and steady as the dawn. One sun, many dawns, shining through the years, speaking love in every language, calming all our fears. One flame, many lamps, lighting every land, every prophet, every messenger, held in the same hand. Should the sun of yesterday be speaking, would it not still be the same? Yet each sunrise brings a meaning, with a new and tender name. Every teacher, every mirror of a truth we cannot divide, each one drawing hearts still nearer to the love we hold inside. Through the desert, through the garden, through the storm and through the sea, every word was sent to guide us to a deeper unity. One sun, many dawns, shining through the years, speaking love in every language, calming all our fears. One flame, many lamps, lighting every land, every prophet, every messenger, held in the same hand. From the cradle of the first light to the edge of what will be, revelation keeps on flowing like an endless rising sea. Not a break but gentle turning, not a loss but growing sight. Every age a page of learning in the book of living light. So let no heart be torn asunder by the names we give the sky, for the truth is one forever, only veiled by time gone by. One sun, many dawns, ever bright, ever new. Every age receives its portion of the timeless truth. One love, many forms, calling every soul from the past into the future, making all things whole. In the light of all the prophets, we are